Good morning, everybody. We're going to be working on page 138 today, Module 3, Lesson 21. We are getting further and further into this module. We are going to be working on still practicing that standard algorithm, still practicing checking with our multiplication to look and practice with our quotients. Or to look at our quotients and to check our answer. So let's zoom in on our first set of problems here. We are focusing on looking at that standard algorithm still. So we know that our divisor is 3. So that's going to be how many groups we're going to be making. And I know that I have 48 as my dividend. Okay, dividend. So I have, remember, 4 dots here. How many groups can I make out of 3? It's going to be 1. And I'll have 1 left over, and that's going to be where I'm subtracting 3. I'll have 1 left over. I'll bring down the 8. And this is where we're going to use our multiples of 3 to help us see, hey, we have 18 dots here, but how many groups of 3 can I get out of that? I'm not going to make 18 dots. That would just take way too long. So instead of doing that, I'm going to use my multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Boom, right there. Nice. Comes out even. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And I'm going to subtract 18 because that's exactly how many dots were in each group. So 18. And we'll get 0. Let's check our work, though. So 16 times 3 should equal 48. So 3 times 6 is 18. Bundle group of 10. And 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So yeah, we have the green light. We got 48, and we have 48 here. Perfect. Awesome. All right, let's focus on the next problem. 49 divided by 3. And we're going to be doing the same thing here, just getting more practice working with our divisor. And our divisor is 3, so meaning that 3 dots make a group. And so here I have 4 dots, and out of 4 dots, 3 is going to make a group, so it's 1 group, and I'm going to have 1 left over. However, how many dots were in that 1 group? It was 3, so that means we're going to subtract 3. Now when I bring it down, I'm going to bring down 19, so now I have 19 dots. But I'm not going to draw 19 dots. That would take too long. So this is when I'm going to use my multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oh, that goes too far. So 21 is where I'm going to stop, or 18 is where I'm going to stop. How many groups is that? It's or how many groups of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And that's 18 dots, so I'm going to have 1 left over. And that's going to be my remainder. So let's check to see if we are correct. So let's check to see if we're correct. 16 times 3. And see if we get 49. So 3 times 6 is 18. Bundle. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. And so we got 48. But don't forget to add the remainder to make 49. And yeah, we have the green light. We're perfectly good, and our answer is correct. Okay, so what I would like for you to do is get more practice on 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you know what? What the heck? Let me do 6, 2, and you can get practice 7, 8, and 9. So if we have 56, we're going to be dividing it with 4. 56 divided by 4. That means I'm going to have 4 dots to make a group. Okay. So here I have 5 dots. And then 4 dots is going to make a group. So that means I'm going to have 1 group of 4. And I'm going to subtract 4. Sorry. I'm going to subtract 4. And we'll have 1 left over. Nice. Here I have 1 dot. That's not enough to make a group of 4. So that's when I have to bring down that 6. And we have 16 dots, and how many groups of 4 can we make? Well, here I can make my multiples of 4 to see. 4, 8, 12, and 16. Yeah, so how many groups is that? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So 4, and I'm going to subtract 16 because that's the amount of dots that was in the groups I subtracted. So 16 subtract 16 is 0. So no remainder here. Let's check our answer though, just to make sure. So 14 times 4 should equal 56. So let's check it out. So 4 times 4 is 16. Bundle, so we have one group of 10. And then 4 times 1 is 4 tenths, plus 1 is 5 tenths. And yes, we have the green light. So we have the green light there. All right, so we practiced 3 together. I would like for you to try 7, 8, and 9 on your own to get more practice with division and checking your answer with multiplication. All right, everybody, have a great morning. I hope this is a simple lesson for you.